All right, so we got this new CNC machine. If you saw our video a few weeks ago when we were rebuilding the shop, we got rid of the old one and we got this new one. And the new machine, we're excited because besides cutting holes, we found out it can cut numbers and letters, and it opens up a whole bunch of opportunities. Oh, wait a second, I got a phone call. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Hey, Donald. I'm sorry, Mr. President. How are you? No, your office called us, and we're gonna make it for you. But we can't change the name of the street to MAGA. It has to stay Pennsylvania Avenue. We already talked about this. 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue. It's been that way for, I don't know, hundreds of years. We're not changing it to MAGA Avenue. All right. Look, listen, I'm gonna make the post for you now, and oh, I gotta go. I'm being filmed here. All right, give me a call later. You want to go to the UFC? All right, I'm looking forward to it. All right, have your people call my people. All right, be good. Anyway, we got a new customer. I'm not gonna tell you who it is, but we're very excited. We're gonna make him a post for the front of his new house, and here we go. We're gonna take this 4x4, and we're gonna put the address on here. Alex, do you want to, should we show them how to do it? All right, let's go. All right. We're gonna make the post for our very special customer. Bear with me because I've only done this once before. What I had to do is change the bit in my machine to a smaller bit because it's very fine cutting these things. So let's go and give this a shot. And I can't promise you it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try. What I have to do is I have to make sure that the machine knows that it's cutting a 4" by 4" post. So what I did is I went in here where it has the stock, and I changed that to 4x4. So now the machine being referenced, it knows where it is and it knows where it has to go. Now we're just gonna tell the machine what it needs to do, and that's to cut some numbers and letters. Right now the machine is reminding me that I had to put a smaller bit in there, and I'm gonna tell it that I did that. Otherwise it's gonna get mad at me, and I don't want this machine. It's a big machine. It's not gonna get mad at me. All right, now here we go. Now we have numbers. It's just like typing everything in. So again, I don't want to tell you who this special customer is. It's a secret. All right, let's put in the address. And what I'm going to do now is I am going to give this a name, just something random. I'm going to call it Donald. Now we're going to go over here and we're going to save this creation. We're going to save it. Now I'm going to get out of this program right here, and I'm going to go to my main program, and I'm going to look for the thing that I just made that's called Donald. There it is. And now I'm going to tell the machine to start making it. And it takes quite a while for the machine to get all this information from the computer into the machine. Usually when you're doing a hole, it like that, it can make a square and a circle really fast. But this is a lot of information to give the machine, so it's going to take a few minutes to do that. And it looks like it did it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just tell the machine just to do one side. Right now it says it's going to do 2. I only want to do 1, so I'm going to get rid of 1. And now I think I'm ready to start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock it in, and we're going to give it a shot. We're hoping for the best here. Okay, all right, so the machine just stopped making our post. These posts are awesome. When it comes out, it's hollow, so it's just letters carved into the post, but we can put some kind of a background in there. Right now, we're playing around with it a little bit. We're putting a black PVC strip in there, or gray or beige, to add some color when you look at the numbers. In the future, we're going to figure out how to put a light in there and make it light up. You can use these posts as a mailbox post in front of your house with your address on it. You can also just make a post and put it in your garden with your address, your number on it. And we're thinking we can make posts that you could put on your neighbor's lawn anytime you need to, and it could have like nice messages like time to cut your grass, or your snotty little kids are too loud, I'm trying to get sleep. All kinds of fun messages for those neighbors. But anyway, let's take a look at what this post looks like. Excited? I am. And we have 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue.
That is amazing.
Okay, and just in case our customer doesn't like it, because he's kind of on the picky side, we have a surprise for him. 1600 Maga Street. Now, I'm not going to tell you who our customer is. Totally secret, because he's high profile. Anyway, this is the post that we just made on our new CNC machine. We actually made one that we're going to put on our front deck, just to let customers know that we can cut letters and numbers, and we have like 5 or 6 different fonts we can use right now. So we made a post to put in the front of the store, and that's going to be on a separate video, so watch out on our YouTube channel. Alex, should I say anything else?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Natural Beauty Fence. That's it for now.